Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 车开车司机驾驶员卡车开卡车卡车司机火车开火车火车驾驶员飞机开飞机飞行员自行车脚踏车骑车骑自行车踩脚踏车手自行车手摩托车开摩托车摩托车手赛车开赛车赛车手 测验。A. 开赛车 B. 骑自行车 C. 开摩托车。A. 开卡车 B. 开飞机 C. 骑车。A. 开火车 B. 开车 C. 卡车。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。